Hi guys, good evening. So welcome to Data Science series, and in which we are continuously recording the latest trends, what's happening in the data science series and all those. So feel, please feel free to ask if you have any doubts or any trends, and I am continuously updating all those knowledge or tasks. And there is a tremendous growth happening in data science related to large language models, OpenAI models, ChatGPT models, and it's very important to learn all those concepts and understand and utilize all those concepts for your business case and daily domains. So I'm just giving this some very basic details of those new tools and technologies, and I'm covering all those. So already I have made a lot of videos related to natural language processing, how word embeddings are working, how TF, IDF, word to vectors, then BERT models are working, how transformers, its encoder decoder parts are working, and so many things. And latestly I'm covering all those series related to large language models like chatbots, how you can utilize those models through the langchains, how you can utilize those vector databases, how you can convert your embeddings to and store to the vector database such as Pinecone, DeepLake, ChromaDB, or all those, and which langchain you should use and how all those should be connected and how all those should be deployed into the production environment. So it's a very simple, but you should know some basic concepts like which memory type you want to use, which retriever you are using, which cosine similarity you are using, which models you are using. Like OpenAI's models, there are so many types such as ChatGPT, then OpenAI only. Then in that there are so many models such as Ada Currency, Davinci, Babbage, and within that also there are so many text models, without text models, version of models such as 0.003 or means 003, text Davinci 003, which is very costly, then text Davinci 002 or only Davinci 002, and all those. Some models based upon the context lens. And recently Google has also launched the Gemini models, which is Gemini Pro Lite and all those, which have context length of nearly about 32,000. And they are indirectly trying to give the fight with the OpenAI models. And also they are the multimodal models, means as of now OpenAI chat models are just consist of the images or the text data, but at the output they are just showing the text data. But that multimodal model will going to give you, means they will going to absorb the video as an input, images as an input, voice as an input, or text data as an input, and how they will going to output in the same manner. So that's the magic happening in OpenAI, means all those large language models. And apart from that, Google's models, ChatGPT models, there are also so many others models, and that's the magic happening. And you should please try to update your skills up to that point. So otherwise, there is a tremendous mismatch will happen in your all the skills gaps, and it will not be desirable, because every company now latestly wants you should know from all those things, from the basic machine learning to the then deep learning, natural language processing, some part of computer visions, deployment, certificates, AWS tools, production environment, and all this. But if you do continuously and if you keep studying, revising, and doing your work very well, definitely will not going to face any problem. So that was the some points I want to tell, because after so many days I haven't made any video. And please feel free to ask if you have any doubt or questions. I am ready to give your answers. So I will going to cover another new video in which I am going to once again covering all those most important concepts related to machine learning, natural language processing, large language models, or OpenAI. So thank you, bye bye, have a great day.